MBS Standoffs is proud to introduce our multi-mount hardware system. Here's a simple, step-by-step look at how it works using our multi-mount studs with our standoff caps and barrel line. First, drill your combination screw into the wall. Be sure to use the appropriate concrete or drywall anchor for your specific installation. Next, thread the barrel onto the exposed machine thread portion of the screw. Now position your backer panel over the barrel and use the lower thread of the multi-mount stud to secure it firmly to the wall. For best results, we recommend at least a 1/4 inch of thread engagement into the front of the barrel. Then place your graphic and front panel onto the upper thread of the multi-mount stud. Finish by securing the cap onto the remaining thread to complete your display. Need to update your graphic? No problem. Simply remove the cap and front panel to swap out your insert, while the multi-mount stud keeps the backer panel securely in place. Our multi-mount studs can also be used to secure barrels between panels, creating elegant, multi-layer displays that are both visually striking and easy for your clients to maintain. MBS multi-mount hardware, secure, versatile, and built for professional presentation.